It's 2047. India has finally harnessed the power of sustainable technology. The roads that once represented despair have now become a symbol of strength and progress. Everything has changed. Changed for good. Clean roads, AI powered farms, fresh air, and above all, hope. A hope that is, this vision of 2047 could become our reality. But then, this is where we stand today.
Today, our planet is struggling to breathe. We have cut smoke and turned nature's beauty into grey skies. Trees, the forests that once cleaned our air, are disappearing faster than ever. However, there is an idea which could be revolutionary and beneficial for the entire world. Let me introduce you to the artificial tree. This machine not only captures the carbon particles in the environment, but is also very beneficial for various industries.
Have you ever wondered how an artificial tree works? Well, imagine hundreds of thin plates put stuck together like leaves. These thin plates are covered with sorbent materials which absorb and trap carbon dioxide directly from the external environment. Now, let's hear about the structure of this artificial tree, also known as the leaf skeleton. The sorbent materials are coated on porous materials like ceramic forms and polymer resin. The framework of this artificial tree is made of lightweight metal, which are strong, rust-resistant, and heat-resistant. Mechanical components are also located inside this framework, like fans, blowers, heating pads, and vacuuming fans, which are all made from stainless steel, copper, and other materials. Finally, the outer layer of this artificial tree is made of fiberglass. This shields the artificial from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Now, let's move on to the next topic.
Artificial tree reduces air pollution by catching particles of CO2 and dust from atmosphere. It helps combat climate changes and improves urban qualities. It uses collected carbon dust in cement and construction material, enhancing strength and promoting sustainable infrastructure. It supports green building goals and reducing dependence on virgin raw materials, generate local employment in manufacture and maintenance of these trees.
Now let's talk about the location of artificial tree. Artificial tree can be installed in urban areas where air polluting levels are high and natural green cover is limited. These are ideal for city centers, industrial zones, public parks, highways, residential areas, etc. These areas usually face a poor air quality due to vehicular emissions, construction dust, and industrial activity. These can be placed near metro stations and airports, where human traffic is dense. By placing artificial trees to such locations, we are reducing air pollution and making our environment more greener and healthier.
Carbon can be processed and blended in cement to increase strength and reduce pollution. Reusing atmospheric carbon in building material, which helps in carbon neutral construction. Artificial trees reduce dust and air pollution, which protects workers' health, and also circular economy model, which turns waste carbon into usable industrial systems, which creates a sustainable infrastructure system. Artificial trees help to clean the air, reduce pollution, and support Viksit Bharat by promoting eco-friendly growth.